Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are embarking an exciting journey on how to start a startup. Whether you have a groundbreaking idea or seeking to change the world, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Step 1. Find your big idea. Every great startup begins with a groundbreaking idea. Identify a problem you are passionate about solving. Do your research, think creatively, and make sure there is a demand for your solution. Remember, the best ideas come from genuine needs. Start by identifying issues in your surroundings, brainstorm solutions, and validate the need. Remember, the best startups solve the real problems. Step 2. Market research. Dive deep into the understanding your potential customers and competition. Use surveys, interviews, and online tools to gather insights. This will help you refine your idea and discover your unique selling propositions. Market research also includes many steps like identifying your target market, analyze your competition, collect data, analyze your findings, and implement your insights. Step 3. Craft your business plan. It's time to put your vision on paper. Outline your business model, market strategy, financial projections, and milestones. A solid business plan will be your roadmap and can help attract investors. Step number 4. Legally establish your startup. Choose the right business structure and register your company. Don't forget to take care of any licenses or permits you might need. This step is crucial for protecting yourself, setting up a success. Step number 5. Build your dream team. Surround yourself with a skilled and motivated team. Look for individuals who share your vision and bring diverse skills to the table. Remember, the right team can make or break your startup. Step number 6. Develop your product or service. Start creating your product or service with your target audience in mind. Focus on building a minimum viable product, that is MVP, that solves the core problem for your customers. Gather feedback early and often to make necessary improvements. Step number 7. Launch and market your startup. Develop a launch plan that make a splash. Use digital marketing, social media, and to spread the word. Engage with your audience and build a community around your brand. And most importantly, be prepared to adapt and iterate based on feedback and results. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your startup. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take the step today. If you have found this guide helpful, hit the like button, share it with your fellow dreamers, and subscribe for more insightful content. Have questions or experiences to share? Drop a comment below. Until next time, keep dreaming big and chasing your startup dreams.